Holy Trinity, Leeds, it looked at first sight just an ordinary wedding until the bridegroom arrived in company with a clown. Danny Ashcroft trains chimps in Billy Smart Circus. Joan Burnell, the pretty bride, is a showgirl in the circus. Her parents came over from Blackpool, Danny's from Banbury Bridge. None of the usual hired cars, a baby elephant was harnessed to the bridal carriage. One way and another, there was no mistaking this for anything but a circus wedding. A lucky horseshoe for the bride. Danny and Joan have been together in the Billy Smart Show for 2 years. At first, they didn't like each other. They eventually had second thoughts, and this is the result. The elephant set a brisk pace back to the Queen's Hall, where Billy Smart laid on the reception, and a great time was had by all in the show. The Reverend Omand, circus chaplain, enjoyed himself with the rest, while the baby elephant couldn't keep his trunk away from the table. By comparison, Danny's chimps were models of good behavior, anxious to get on the right side of their new mistress in this romance of the circus.